Hello, today in C1Risk training, we're going to show you how you can create a document, whether that's a policy, a level 1 or 2 policy, procedure or standard, or other types of plans or contracts that you might need pertaining to your GRC program. So let's get into the platform and show you how we do it. So we're going to be working from our governance module today. So I'm in the governance module. As you can see, I'm in the policies section. So we broadly call this section policies, but you'll note that we can have different types of documentation in here. And to create a document, as opposed to just attaching or linking it, we can simply add new and then state the type of document that we're going to create. So in this case, I'm going to create an SDLC document. The type of document that it actually is. So, and again, note that this is a list, that this list can be configured for you if needed, if we don't have the different types of documentation that you need in here. But note, we've got things like disaster recovery plans, incident response, all of your standards and procedures, so on and so forth. So we have a pretty broad range of types to help you label your documentation. Okay, once you've done that, we're just going to add our text into this field here. And note that once we've added this, or as we're adding it, it is completely formattable as well. So we can bold this, or we have the option to bullet, etc. So you can format this pretty much the same as a Google Doc or a Word doc, depending on which house you prefer. And then, of course, you can also add images or diagrams if you need to, depending on the type of policy or document that you're creating. If you need to add imagery in there, we can just go to the image selector, click upload, and then grab our image. And that will bring the image into the document. Note that we can then size it if we need to. So if we want to bring this down to 200 or something like that to make it fit a little better, there you go. Now you can see it in your document. And then once we have approved this or published this as we need to, if we need an approval, if we just click save, we can export this at any time into a PDF document. So I'm just clicking save there. So now you see your document is ready. I can export this to a PDF, so I can actually create a hard copy, quote unquote, if I need to. And that PDF will look a little bit like this. So note it will be white labeled to your company. We always put the information about the company, name of the document, who wrote it, who approved it, the approval date, so on and so forth. And then here you see your document ready to go. So that's how you create a document in C1Risk. And this concludes our training for today. Thank you.